Types of people based on thoughts and beliefs. Monotheist. Monotheist. Meaning, a person who believes in only one God. As a monotheist, I believe God is the creator of everything. Polytheist. Polytheist. Meaning, a person who believes in many gods. He's a polytheist who worships several gods. Theist. Theist. Meaning, a person who believes in the existence of God or gods. She's a theist who believes strongly in God. Atheist. Atheist. Meaning, a person who does not believe in the existence of God. He's an atheist who trusts only in science. Agnostic. Agnostic. Meaning, a person who believes that it's impossible to know whether God exists or not. She's an agnostic. She neither believes nor disbelieves in God. Conservative. Conservative. Meaning, someone who prefers traditional ideas and doesn't like change. My grandfather is quite conservative about family values. Liberal. Liberal. Meaning, a person who is open to new ideas and supports social progress and freedom. My friend is liberal and believes everyone should have equal rights. Egotist. Egotist. Meaning, a person who talks about themselves a lot and is very self-centered. He's such an egotist, he only cares about his own success. Egotists love being the center of attention. Egoist. Egoist. Meaning, a person who thinks about themselves first and does what benefits them the most. He's an egoist who thinks about himself before anyone else. Egoists put their interests before others. Altruist. Altruist. Meaning, someone who cares deeply about others' happiness and well-being. She's an altruist who donates to charities regularly. Altruists find joy in helping others. Escapist. Escapist. Meaning, a person who avoids reality or problems by daydreaming or entertainment. He's an escapist who loses himself in movies. Escapists often avoid facing real-life issues. Idealist. Idealist. Meaning, someone who believes in high or perfect ideals, even if they're unrealistic. He's an idealist who thinks love can solve everything. Idealists dream of a perfect world. realist, realist. Meaning, someone who accepts facts and sees things as they are. She's a realist who focuses on what's practical. Realists prefer logic over emotions. Materialist, materialist. Meaning, a person who values possessions and money more than spiritual or emotional things. He's too much of a materialist, all he wants is luxury. Materialists believe happiness comes from things. Humanist, humanist. Meaning, someone who believes in the value and goodness of human beings. She's a humanist who supports education and equality. Humanists focus on people, not religion or politics. Minimalist, minimalist. Meaning, a person who lives simply and keeps only a few possessions. As a minimalist, he owns only what he truly needs. Minimalists find peace in simplicity. Cynic, cynic. Meaning, a person who believes people only act for their own benefit. He's a cynic who doubts everyone's good intentions. Cynics rarely trust others' motives. Pragmatist, pragmatist. Meaning, someone who focuses on practical solutions instead of theories. She's a pragmatist who prefers action over talk. He's a pragmatist, so he doesn't waste time on theories. Rationalist, rationalist. Meaning, someone who relies on logic instead of emotions when making decisions. He tries to be a rationalist and avoids emotional decisions. Rationalists rely on logic over emotion. Traditionalist, traditionalist. Meaning, someone who sticks to old customs and cultural values. My parents are traditionalists who prefer arranged marriages. She's a traditionalist and loves old cultural rituals. Revolutionary, revolutionary. Meaning, a person who supports or causes great social or political change. He's a revolutionary who fights for people's rights. Revolutionaries challenge unfair systems. Skeptic, skeptic. Meaning, a person who doubts accepted opinions or beliefs. She's a skeptic who doesn't believe everything she hears. Skeptics always ask for proof before believing.